इंटेंसिव ट्यूटोरियल में एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। मैं किरण सिन्हा मैम और आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं हीट एंड इट्स इफेक्ट चैप्टर में आगे बढ़ते हुए इफेक्ट ऑफ हीट। व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन अ सब्सटेंस इज हीटेड। Any substance, whether it is solid, liquid or gas, when it is heated, there is increase in its temperature. You can say कि body become hot. Number 2, thermal expansion. It means there is increase in its volume. On heating it will expand. Number 3, change in state. Maybe solid turns into liquid, liquid turns into gaseous state. So there is change in state. Number 4, heat also causes chemical change. As for example, when we are doing cooking, so on cooking, food items turns into cooked item, that is chemical change. And last, survival of living organism. So come to the first point. Heat causes rise in temperature. See, it is the heat that will increase or decrease the temperature of the body. If we add heat, the temperature will become higher, temperature will rises, and if we remove heat, the temperature will become lower. So on heating, body become hot, on cooling, body become cool due to rise or fall in temperature. Higher temperature means that the molecules of the body are moving or vibrating or rotating with more energy. Next, heat causes thermal expansion. See, all the things around us, whether it is solid, liquid or gas, it is made up of tiny particles, that is called molecules. In case of solid, molecules are very close to each other. So what happens when we add heat energy to the solid substance? What happens when the solid is heated? On heating, the molecules of the solid start vibrating vigorously due to gain of heat energy. So when the molecules start vibrating vigorously, they create little space in between them. So you can say when the molecular motion of the substance increases, it creates little bit space in between them. So molecules become loosely packed in between. So due to increase in some space in between the molecules, it increase its volume. So increase in volume due to increase in molecular motion, or you can say due to heat, is called thermal expansion. Same thing happen when the liquid is heated. The space between the molecule will increase, so it will occupy more space. Same thing will happen in gas also. When the gaseous particles is heated, it will gain energy and it will occupy more space. So it will show increase in volume. So simply, when substance is heated, molecule gain energy, they increase their molecular motion. Due to increase in molecular motion, the space between the molecule increases, which leads to thermal expansion. One thing that is very important to keep it in our mind, when substance expand on heating or contract on cooling, the size of the particle is remain same. It means the size of the particle does not changes, only a space between the particle changes. The particles in the solid vibrate more vigorously when it is heated, so they take up more room when they expand. Similar thing will happen in case of liquid and in gas. Particle size of the particle does not change, only space in between the particles changes during expansion and contraction. So When a substance is heated, movement of the molecule of the substance will increase. Then average distance between the molecules will increase. So increase the space occupied by the molecule. You can say कि volume increases. So when volume of the substance increases, we can say कि expansion due to heat takes place, and the size of the object increases due to heat. So it is very clear कि expansion in solid is least, expansion is in liquid is more than solid but less than gas, and gases expand maximum. So expansion in gas is maximum. Next, heat causes change in states of matter. See, when you heat something, you add heat energy to it. This causes the particles to move faster, because in solid particles are very close to each other. So particles move faster, they start vibrating at its mean position at very high speed. So due to motion, they start moving apart from each other and they become loose. They become loosely packed. It means they create little bit space in between them. So when the particles are loosely packed, they have little bit space in between them. Then what will happen? The force of attraction between the molecule will decreases and space between them little bit increases, and the solid turns into liquid state. So temperature at which the solid turns into liquid state is called its melting point, and the process in which the solid turns into liquid state is called melting. So one thing is very important to keep in our mind, that when solid is heated, the internal heat energy of the substance increases due to increase in molecular motion. So when internal heat energy is increases, force of attraction between the particles decreases and little more space is created in between the particles. So you can say कि molecular space increases. So solid turns into liquid state. In the same way, when liquid is heated, it becomes gas. Actually, when liquid is heated, or you can say कि more heat energy is supplied to a liquid, the molecules of the liquid gain more energy and they start moving with more speed. So their kinetic energy increases. As a result, the number of molecules escaping from the surface increases, because their kinetic energy increases. So start moving with more high speed. So they start escaping from the surface of liquid, which leads to increase in space in between the molecules, and they start changing into gaseous state due to increase in their kinetic energy. The temperature at which the particles have enough kinetic energy so that they can escape from the liquid surface, so that fixed temperature is called boiling point. So you can say कि temperature at which a liquid start boiling is called its boiling point, and the process by which the liquid turns into gaseous state is called boiling. Heat also causes chemical change by forming new substance. As for example, when we are cooking vegetables, it becomes soft and there is change in its taste. So it is a chemical change. By absorption of heat energy from the sun, carbon dioxide and water converted into glucose, that is the food for plant, yani photosynthesis. It is the chemical change due to sunlight. Next, heat also affect the life of living organism. This is because Every organism can tolerate a definite range of temperature. Living organism activities and survival get affected at the temperature higher or lower than the normal temperature. As for example, when we boil the water, all the germs which is present in it kills. Let us see few more examples to understand the concept of expansion and contraction in solid, liquid and gas, and how this concept is used in our daily life, or where we are using this concept in our daily life. So first we will talk about the expansion and contraction in solid. When solid are heated, their particles vibrate more vigorously, or you can say rapidly, pushing each other slightly, causing the solid to expand. The amount of increase in volume depends on the type of solid. As for example, increase the temperature of a 1 meter section of glass by 100 degrees centigrade will cause it to expand by 9 millimeter. In the same situation, concrete and steel will expand by 11 millimeter, and in the same situation, aluminum will expand by 25 millimeter. So from this discussion, we can conclude that measurement of expansion made on different solid is different. So different solid expand by different amount for the same rise in temperature. Similarly, decrease in temperature causes solid to contract by varying degree. Even though the amount of expansion and contraction in solid may seem quite small, almost negligible, it can have section implication. It has serious implication in certain situations, such as the construction industry. For example, power lines. Power lines need to be hung from pole to pole in the correct tension, या आप बोल सकते हो tightness. If the tension is too tight, अगर वायर को बहुत टाइट से खींचा गया हो, if the wire is too tight, the power line will contract and break in the winter season or in cold weather. If the tension is too loose, यानी wire is too loose, then they will expand and hang too close to the ground in summer season or in hot weather. So these both situation, when the wire is too tight or when the wire is too loose, both can cause a serious accident. So it is very important to understand the concept of the linear expansion when we are tightening the wire, electrical wire on the pole. Let us try to understand linear expansion. It means expansion in length in a metal rod. For this, we will do an experimental investigation. So for this purpose, we will take a metal rod about 50 centimeter long. Lay it horizontally on a two wooden support you can see in the picture. Keep one of its end against a wall. Rest the other end of the metal rod on a round pencil. Attach a paper pointer to the pencil as it is shown in the picture. Got it? Heat the metal rod as it is shown in the picture. You will notice that the paper pointer rotates to the right side. Why it is rotating to right side? And one more thing you can notice, the more you heat the metal rod, the more the pointer will turn to the right because of increase in length. Because when you are hitting the metal rod, actually the length of the rod is increasing towards the right side. That's why the pointer is moving to right. Let us discuss one more example to show cubical expansion in solid. So, as you can see in the diagram, this is a ring ball experiment to show that the solid on heating expand volume wise. For this experiment, we have taken a ball and a ring. At normal temperature, the ball just passes through the ring. What happens when the ball is heated? So, now heat the ball and try to pass it through the ring. So, when you are heated the ball, you will find that now the ball is not passing through the ring. What happens when you heated the ball? When the ball is heated, the volume of the ball expands and now it is not able to pass through the ring. So it shows that solid expand on heating volume wise too. So increase in volume due to heat is called cubical expansion, and it is very famous experiment. Ring ball experiment is very famous to show the cubical expansion in solid. Now come to expansion in liquid. See, in case of liquid, the particles are loosely packed. It is not as tightly packed as it is in the solid. So in the solid, particles are very tightly packed, but in case of liquid, particles are loosely packed. They have little bit space in between them. So what happens when the liquid particles are heated or liquid is heated? The particles, when gain the heat energy, it start moving vigorously. Since it has little bit space in between them, so they will produce more vibration than solid particle. So you can say that liquid will expand more than solid when it is heated. To see this experiment, let us perform one. To see expansion in liquid, let us perform one activity. Fill a flask up to brim with water. Take a rubber cork with a hole in it and insert the narrow tube into the hole. Fix the cork firmly in the mouth of the flask. The liquid will rise little bit in the tube. You can see it easily. Note the level of the liquid. Okay. Now heat the liquid. What you will observe? You will observe that the level of the liquid in the tube goes down. Level of the liquid in the tube falls down a little bit and then start rising. First, the liquid level of the liquid in the tube falls down, and after that it start rising. So it goes down initially as the flask gets heated first, and then when the heat reaches to the water, then it start expanding. So when the heat reaches the liquid, it expand. So its level is start rising up. So expansion in the liquid takes place in two steps. First, since the liquid is always held in a container, so first container will expand, because when you are heating, the container receive the heat first. So first container will expand. Due to expansion in the container, first the level of the liquid will falls due to expansion in container. When the heat reaches to the water through the container, then again water start expanding or liquid start expanding, and then there is rise in the level of liquid. Got it? One more thing we should notice, that if the experiment is conducted using different liquid such as ethanol, water, mercury. It is found that amount of expansion is different in different liquid for the same rise in temperature, as you can see in the diagram. So it is concluded that different liquid expand at a different rate. Few liquid expand maximum and few liquid expand minimum for the same rise of temperature. Gases also expand on heating. In gas, particles are far apart from each other. So on heating a gas, the vibration of its molecule increases many times. Since the molecules are not bounded to each other at all, so the average distance between the molecule increases many times. Hence the expansion will be more in case of gas in comparison to solid, liquid and liquid. Let us perform one more experiment to show expansion in gas. Take an empty flask and empty flask, you can say empty flask, but actually it is not empty. Air must be present inside the flask, and keep it upside down position over a beaker of water so that the glass tube dip inside the water, as you can see in the diagram. Now heat the flask at the top. As the air inside the flask expands, so you can see the air escape out from the flask in the form of air bubbles in the beaker. So you can easily see the air bubbles in the beaker, water of the beaker. Now you cool the flask. On cooling the flask, obviously the air inside the flask get contracted. So water rises from the surface of the beaker to the tube, upside the rises up inside the tube. So it shows that air expand on heating and it contract on cooling. So because of cooling only, the pressure inside the flask decreases. So water from outside, where the air pressure is more, water rises from high pressure to low pressure. So water easily rises in the tube inside the flask. Now let us see few examples of expansion in our surrounding. The automatic fire alarm system use the fact that different solid expand by different amount of heating. So the alarm contains two metal stripe, one of iron and other of brass. They are firmly bolted together, as you can see in the diagram. Brass expands more than iron on heating. Therefore, when bimetallic strap get heated because of fire, it bends on the side of iron. As it bends, the circuit of the electric bell is completed and the bell starts ringing to give the alarm. As the fire is put out, the stripe get cooled and it becomes straight again. This causes the circuit to break and it switch off the alarm. Now come to few more examples. The metal caps on glass bottle can be loosened by pouring hot water over the metal cap because the metal cap expand on heating and loosen easily. Number 2, there are small gaps are left in the railway track over which the train runs. See, because railway tracks are made up of iron, during summer the iron expand. So to allow the thermal expansion, a space has to be left. I would like to explain one more example. When very hot liquid is poured in a glass tumbler, the tumbler sometimes crack. This happens because the inner wall get heated first when the hot liquid is poured in the tumbler and expand first, but the outer wall of the tumbler is remain unchanged. So the resulting strain crack the glass. So nowadays we are using Pyrex glasses, which is far better than the ordinary glass. Pyrex glasses are a special type of glass which expand very little when it is heated. So due to its low expansion, when it does not crack even though we pour a very hot liquid in them, they do not crack. So Pyrex glasses are far better than ordinary glass. Thanks for watching the video. In the next part we will talk about temperature and its measurement. And yes, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, you subscribe it right now so that you can get the notification for the new uploaded video. And yes, don't forget to write the feedback. It is very important for me. It will help me a lot to improve the quality of the video, and I can make the video as per your choice and requirement. So you must write in the comment box what you want more in the video, and don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and whatever the students of standard 7, you just share with the students of standard 7. So